Howdy folks, Zach Smith, Pest Dude. Hey, we're talking about diatomaceous earth, okay? We've recommended it here on the channel for bed bugs. And let's talk a little bit about how it works, why, when you should use it, when you shouldn't use it. Diatomaceous earth is made of diatoms, which are basically, think about like coral. Coral is very sharp. It's the exoskeleton shell or very sharp remaining body part of a microscopic organism called a diatom. And these things are mined from the earth, from deposits, or however they come to be processed and put in bags through the magic of commercial and industrial materials processing. We buy them as a pest control product, and they're considered very natural. The product that looks like talc or very fine dust or silica. You don't want to be breathing that dust. This is one of the reasons you want to be careful when you use diatomaceous earth, because it can be a respiratory irritant to you and your pets. Now, on a microscopic level, this stuff is very sharp and scratchy, and bugs have an exoskeleton that keeps them moist inside, and if you scratch that up, they actually dry out and die. All it takes is scarifying or scratching the surface of a bug's exoskeleton enough, and they will just dehydrate and die. They can't hold in their moisture. So that's how the mode of action works for diatomaceous earth. Now, a lot of times we have bed bugs on our chairs and beds and bedding. Again, you're going to be putting your body in close contact with the product. So do not apply this to your pillow or your sheets or your furnishings, your furniture upholstery, okay? Apply it to the places bed bugs are going to walk to and from, under your box spring. Bed bug work is like ransack your bedroom, okay? Flip your box spring over, pull all the drawers out of your dresser, empty your closets, so on and so forth. Dust with your bulb duster the diatomaceous earth in the cracks and crevices, nooks and crannies, under your bed frame, in your box spring, along the seams of your mattress, which will later be encapsulated in your sheets, your fitted sheets, okay? Then that dust stays in the area where the bed bugs may travel and not in your direct contact. Don't come in contact with the diatomaceous earth if you can help it. Okay, even though it's natural. Again, respiratory irritant. The bed bugs will start to die after walking through this in hours to a day. The more they walk through it, the better. They'll track some back and it will just start to migrate with them to and from their hiding places. The number one killer of a bed bug is any good effective product that is placed in their path of travel or in their harborage. I love a good non-repellent insecticide, such as Alpine WSG. I love a good insect growth regulator, which will cause them to interrupt their life cycle. Again, non-repellent. The bug will not know you've applied it. Diatomaceous earth is also non-repellent. So if you want to go all green and natural, you can use this diatomaceous earth. If you're going to use a repellent product, one of the botanical products, it's going to drive them away, which you may sound like what you want, but I'm imploring you, if you're already dealing with the bed bug, get the bed bug to participate in the pest control program by giving it something to track back. Don't repel it, kill it. Because some of the repellents won't kill it, it'll just drive it away. Now the repellent dissipates and the bed bug comes back. They can go many days, weeks without feeding, so you don't want to try to wait them out. Another option, of course, that comes up a lot with bed bug treatment is heat. Raising the room temperature to, off the top of my head, it's like 140 odd degrees, 130, 140 degrees for a long time. That can work. The pros do it with a big heat system. Any cool spot is a place the bed bug will run and hide. So the pros cause circulation. They use guns to shoot heat into the cracks and crevices. You can harm your furnishings with this much heat. So I don't recommend it for the home user. I do recommend diatomaceous earth. There's also, of course, Samexa dust, which is desiccated silica. Very similar active ingredient. Works in a similar way. Desiccates the bug. So look at Samexa dust. There's a lot of other diatomaceous earth products out there. Both are silica or one of the conventional pesticide products. We've recommended many on this channel that are specifically labeled for bed bugs. There's an Alpine PT product. It's got a bed bug label on it. We've recommended all these things. They all work. It's where you put them, not the magic of the ingredient, okay? Killing a bug is not hard. Spray a bug with Windex, it'll die. The trick is getting to them where they hide. And bed bugs are experts because they will hide in a crevice as narrow as a credit card. They love a crevice as narrow as a credit card. So if you've got any crevices where any furniture touches the wall, where any furniture touches another, a joint in your headboard to the bed frame, the end tables to the wall, anything that's got that crevice, the bed bug hides in there. It's very hard to get products in there. Let the bed bug take the product home with it. That's what I got for you today. Pest Dude out.